First impression.
Bro, I like this hair. I love this hair. This hair is fire. Pick up a nice jerry curly hair.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house.
Should I do a vlog in this hotel? I don't know, man.
Open up, open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up, open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out. Open up. Open up.
So bro, can you imagine big hotel and the elevator them not work? The elevator them not work. Yeah, come up the stairs, you have to take them up the flight of stairs. Yeah, go down, well, that's much easier. But big hotel and the elevator them not work. Yeah, it's my Sunscape slash hotel, and all of the hotel I go, this is the least rated hotel. On the other hand, let's say good morning with them sticking here.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Peeps, let me tell you, coming to hotel without your baby is like a no-no. Honestly. On another episode of non-functioning elevators.